Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Hyundai Elantra GT key fob. This key fob was used between 2014 and 2017. Inside we'll find a CR2032 battery. These batteries are very inexpensive. You can buy them online and do this entire process yourself at home. If you'd like to buy one on Amazon, I will give you a link down in the YouTube description. And just getting started, we're gonna turn over the key, press this little button to remove the internal key. And now looking in this compartment, you can see next to the keyhole where the key just came from, there is this groove. You can take a flathead screwdriver, insert it like so, into the groove, twist, just with a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. I'm going to put my flathead screwdriver in that opening that we just made, twist until the whole thing comes apart. Make sure your circuit board just stays in its place and put that to the side for right now. Now, you're going to need to use a tool. Let's just use our flathead screwdriver to come in, and on the top right here you can see an opening where there's room for us to put our tool in, pry, and rock a little bit until the battery pops out. Okay, go ahead and get a brand new CR2032 battery. Make sure this positive side with the text and the information goes face down, and you can just slide it in the bottom first into this little metal component, and then click the top in. Now all that's left is to reattach these two halves. Make sure everything clicks back into place. Just throw your key back in and you're done. The light should come on if you have a brand new battery. I'm using the same old one, but then you'll know that you have juice in your battery and everything's connected and good to go. So that's all it takes to change your own key fob battery at home. Thank you for watching.